Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So actually you have two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. Simply slide down the upper bar and then select airplane mode icon. Just click here, and from now on your device is in flight mode. You can notice the plane icon right next to the battery, and that means that all the connections are deactivated and you can smoothly use your device without network, so you can travel by plane easily. Then you can switch off this mode simply by tapping on the same icon one more time. Then you can also open airplane mode through the settings. Simply open the settings at first, then go to the network and internet, click on advanced, and here you will notice airplane mode. Just tap on this switcher and that's it. Now flight mode is active, and obviously you can deactivate it the same way simply by tapping on this switcher. So that would be all. So you can activate and deactivate airplane mode on your device in your Neffos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.